This is the chart about a bullish candle and a bearish candle structure. Remember guys, this lecture is for newbies. If you want to embark on a journey of learning what forex trading is all about, if you want to understand what candle chart is or candle pattern is, all right. Now we have different kind of candle chart patterns. Sorry, we have different kind of chart patterns. We also have different kind of candle pattern too. Now basically I'm going to explain what candlestick is, because I'm trying to explain what candlestick is right now. We have basically on the chart, let me show you guys my chart. Basically on the chart we have a bar chart, which is more like this, which in this bar chart will have the open where you see this bar and the closing, right? These ones above here and below here are the wicks, right? Now we have the line too. This is line charts, which most people see on the platform which they trade, and most people use this to trade. And this is a candlestick chart, right? Now basically I'm going to explain what the kind of charts this is. Now we have a bullish candle, we have a bearish candle. Now in this bullish candle we have the body of the candle, right? As you are seeing on this picture on the screen, we have a body of the candle here, and we have the wicks. So this thing you see here are called the wicks. I will still show you guys on an actual chart. This here are called the wicks. This one is called the wicks. And then on a bullish candle, we have this rectangular square body, which is the body of the candle. But most candles on the chart doesn't close this way. Most of the times it closes in different patterns, right? So and a bullish candle, the price opens from here and closes from here, right? So, and this is the low of which this bullish candle went, and this is the high of this bullish candle, how it went, and this is the closing price, this is the opening price, right? In the sense that if there's a candle at the left hand side and the price opens, it will open from this place, maybe pull down and pull up again, then go to this area and come back and close. So the opening price and the closing price, then plus the wiki here, the wicks, this is called the wicks. These things you see here, this small line here are called the wicks, right? Then the same thing applicable to what bearish candle patterns. The price opens above and closes below, right? Now each candle varies on the time frame on which they appear. So each candle opens and closes. If it's on a 5 minutes time frame, the candle opens and closes on the 5 minutes time frame. If it is on 1 hour, it closes on 1 hour. After 1 hour, the next candle begins. At the next 1 hour, the next candle begins. If it is on weekly, after 1 week, the next candle begins. If it is a daily, after daily, the next candle begins. Let's dive into the actual chart so I can be able to explain what I've shown you on this picture. Looking at the chart, you understand that the price has been moving zigzagly up and down. And if you check the time frame we are now, we are on what 1 minute time frame. So after 1 minute, after each candle closes after 1 minute, so I intentionally put this candle timer here. So after 1 minute, the candle does what? Closes. After 1 minute, the candle closes. After 1 minute, candle. If I switch the time frame to maybe 15 minutes, which means every 15 minutes each candle closes. After 15 minutes, this closes. After 15 minutes, this closes. So back to 1 minute. When you talk about the wicks and of the top and below of a bullish candle, take a look at this. When I said before that most candles doesn't close with wicks. Some close with upper wicks, some close with lower wicks. Now when you take a look at this bullish candle, let me maximize the chart. When you take a look at this bullish candle, you see this bullish candle here, this one here, this bullish candle here. So when you take a look at that, this is the open price. This is the open price of this candle. Take a look at it. See, this is the open price. Here is the open price. Then here is the low. Let me use this to explain, differentiate it. Here is the low. Here I draw my line. Here is the low of this bullish candle. Here is the open price of this bullish candle. You see that here is the open price of this bullish candle. Here, that's the open price. We'll have the closing price here, and we'll also have the high here. You see that? Also have the high, which is the wicks. So the same thing applicable. The same thing applicable with what? With the with bearish candle. So this is the high, this is the opening, this is the close, this is the upper wicks, this is the lower wicks. This is what we call a bullish candle pattern. The same thing applicable to what? The bearish candle pattern. This white here is the bearish candle pattern, and you can change your bearish candle to any color you want to change it by what? Moving towards your properties, and you can change the bearish candle to red as it is on the chart, and you can click OK. So this is the bearish candle pattern. You can adjust the kind of candle you want to have on your chart. So the bullish is blue, the bearish is red. So in this kind of candle pattern, we have explained what wicks, the body of the candle, and so on is on an actual chart, right? So the next lecture comes up, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for people that wants to get themselves known to forex trading, right? All right, thank you guys, and God bless you. This is Tech FX. Don't forget to give me thumbs up, like this video, and share. Bye for now. Peace.